This dance is called Bandido's Last Ride. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Walk forward, another 2 steps, left, right. Shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. Now the choreographer has said, when you're doing this section, take small steps, which suits me down to the ground, because there's a lot of distance to fit into a small space. That section once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Now we're going to travel back with 3 back shuffle steps. So 1 and 2 count timing steps, back, close, back. Now as you do these steps, you're going to angle your body to whichever foot you lead off with. So we're going to start off by going back shuffling on the right. So I'm going to angle my body to the right, back, shuffle. So I'm not travelling at an angle, I'm travelling straight backwards, just my body is angled to the diagonal. I'm now going to shuffle back on the left, which means I'm going to angle my body to the left, shuffle back on the right again, so I angle back to the right. So it's 3 back shuffle steps. So that's set once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. Now what the choreographer has also said is when you're shuffling backwards on those steps, you can actually clap in time to the music, flamenco style. So hands above your head, clap, 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 as you're going backwards. So it's optional whether you wish to do that or not. So let's add those 2 sections together. Walking forward, up on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. That's me pretending to clap with one hand, just so you get the feel. So your hands will be above your head as you clap. Rock back on the left, recover your weight back on that right. You're going to chasse to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, chasse to the right, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Now that set of steps once more then, rocking back on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, right chasse. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward, up on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back rock, left chasse, back rock, right chasse. Now we're going to add on a jazz box with a quarter return and a cross at the end. Left foot leading. So you're going to cross the left over the right, step the right back. Make that quarter turn left as you step that left. Effectively it's going to be almost to the side. But make sure you have completely turned your body at this point. Don't just twist it, then cross the right over the left. So jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a coaster step, left foot leading, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the left back, right beside left, left forward. That set of steps once more then. Jazz box off on the left. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. That is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. So that is your dance. Now what I will do is I'll just go through it with the counts so you can see the timing for yourself. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully you can see what the timing is like. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step, walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step, walk, walk, right shuffle, walk, walk, left shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. So that's it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to no music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Walk, walk, left shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. Back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Walk, walk, left shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. Back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Walk, walk, left shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. Back rock, left chassé. Back rock, right chassé. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Walk, walk, left shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle. Back rock, left chassé, back rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, coaster, step, waltz. Forward rock, back rock, jazz, waltz, forward rock, back rock, jazz,
suppose I should thank you
Forward
for
roll.
the words that we hear in this song. The story of heartache and nightmares you caused, I've taken it to #1. Everyone that has heard it will be that more wary of the things your amigos can do. But beware you bandido, there'll be someone better,
Jazz.
they will do these things to you. And Senor Bandido, your days will be numbered, you'll find someone smarter one day. And the knife that you used on a pneumatical would have taken your manhood away. The Nostra Quadra will find your torn body in the place where you stole an arcade. One left Bandido in the town of Girona, as in the cemetery you lay.
Hope you managed that one.